Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve battery draining issues on Garmin Forerunner 70. So let's try to do that by reducing some features that consume battery power. First of all, we're gonna have to access the settings of this watch by holding down the middle left key, scrolling down to watch settings. Now here in settings we're gonna have to check the display and brightness. So in display, go to brightness, and you can reduce the brightness of your watch to the comfortable level so that your device doesn't use too much brightness. Now always on display should always be off unless you want your battery to be consumed constantly. Then we can also disable things like wake on alert and wake on gesture. We can also lower the timeout limit. I think the touch should stay on because it's too much useful of feature on this watch. And let's scroll a bit down. We can set up our notifications. So we can, for example, go to Smart Notifications menu and disable them if you don't need them. You can disable Daily Summary and disable the Notification Center at all if you don't need your watch for notifications. Okay, now let's go to Power Manager. We can enable the battery saver here, which will significantly increase our battery's lifetime. And the last thing that we can do is go to Health and Wellness settings and change the pulse ox mode from all day to on demand or just during sleep. And we can also disable MoveIQ feature. And all of these features will increase your battery's life significantly and reduce your battery drain. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.